Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. I would like to thank you so much for being with us today, and we really appreciate your support. So we would like to request that please subscribe and also do share our content. Today we're going to see how do you check your website traffic in like ranking in Alexa. So what you're gonna do is something simple. You want to know how does your traffic rank worldwide or in your local country. So what we do, we're gonna use Alexa. So we go to Firefox. If we go to Firefox here, we go to websites like aljazeera.com, and I already installed what they call Alexa toolbar. So you click on that toolbar, you can see it's here, up here. You can show that Al Jazeera in the whole world stands in 2,717. In the US it's in 1,000. So then we go to bbc.com. When we go to BBC, we can see, let's see, after download it's gonna show us BBC is in 71 in the world, 64 in the US. Simply means BBC is more powerful worldwide, and also in the US is more powerful than Al Jazeera. So we can also go to websites like Google itself, google.com. When we are at google.com, click here. Google is number 1 in the world and number 1 in the USA. It simply means it's the most visited site in the world. So you can go to website like Facebook, you can go to website like Alibaba, you can go to websites like Amazon and amazon.com. I wonder if that's what I'm trying to do. Is right. Yes, amazon.com. So when we're here, you can see Amazon is 14 and in the US sitting on 3. So if we say Alibaba, not Al, it's Alibaba.com. It's gonna see, let's see, Alibaba and Amazon was more powerful worldwide. Alibaba is sitting on 130, CS sitting on 88. It's performing anyway so well in the US, but globally not that much compared to, it's powerful, yes, but compared to Amazon is more powerful than Alibaba worldwide. And when we go to ebay.com, and you can see, okay, eBay, yes, eBay is 45, 8 in the US. eBay is more powerful, you can see. So what is gonna go on here, you can click here, click on that, and it's gonna take you to this tool. It's gonna take you to the real website for Alexa. Then you can see all the information here. So you can go down and you can see eBay keywords, top keywords people search. They search eBay, sits on this 35%. They search also eBay official site. They search a lot of things here. So but then we go down here, we can see keyword gaps. All this information you get it from alexa.com. So then one thing you're gonna see, there's a lot of things. You see all this data, you can see it if the website is big, so it brings up everything, but sometimes you can find a site which doesn't have any data, so that simply means the site is so weak. But you can pass through this, all of this, then you know what's going on. So you can also, instead of coming here, instead of using this tool just makes things easier for you, but it's the same as here. You can just go straight to alexa.com, and you say enter. After entering that, you can punch in your website. Yes, I want to, it becomes a little bit complicated here, but via the tool, let me see, how can Alexa help you today? Let me say improve your CEO, what. No, we should not get into that. Is gonna make me a little bit it's gonna make me a little bit confused. So what I'm gonna show you how to install this tool, this Alexa toolbar. So I installed it already in Firefox. But I'm gonna go to Chrome. When you come to Chrome here, and go to Google. No matter which operating system you're using, I'm using Linux Ubuntu, but it will be easy for me to install it. You just say Alexa toolbar. When you click there, it will sense, then click Alexa toolbar, then it's gonna tell us to install Alexa toolbar extension. We don't have it here, it's gonna come, then say add to Chrome. When say add extension, after adding it, it's here. Okay, sync Chrome, whatever, you can leave it like that. Then once you're done, you can cancel that, those like to restart the browser. I'm gonna go back to Chrome. When I go to Chrome, now it's here. You can see it's gonna show you things here. Accept and enable. You have to accept. Let me see if it's working now. Yes, it's working now, but it hasn't picked up yet the data for this site. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to, there's a site called googleboy.co.za. Gonna click on that. This is a new site called googleboy.co.za. You can see the ranking here. You click here, you can see it's standing on 233, 316. So in its local country there is no data. What you do, it shows you that sites linking in 7. You can click on there. When you're there, then you can see all the data here. That is Google Boy News, Vitomele Kune, Samir Nokovic, so Norkovic. So this is gonna be, it shows 39% are searching for this. Then other people also searching for this, whatever. So also here you can see all of these things whatever on this site. Okay, this is the rank in the world. This site really gets good traffic, but it's unknown site, but gets that traffic. It's really good. So you can find a site which doesn't have anything. So when you are here, what you can do, you can type in any website you want to type in, small or big, whatever, or your website. I'm going to type in a site called playandlearn.co.za. then we're trying to search. You see this site doesn't have any results here. It means the site is poorly. It has low traffic, so it's not even relevant for Alexa to put it here. You can go down, but at least it has sitting on 1.5 million rank in the world. So you can go to another site called BlueSea. It's gonna be blueseadk.co.za, and you can search here and see what's gonna go on. You see, even this doesn't have rank, but now look at it, sitting on 3 million. Means this one is weaker than the previous one. The higher the number, the lower the ranking. The lower the number, the higher the ranking. What am I trying to mean here? You're gonna come here and say facebook.com. When you say facebook.com, you come in here and you search Facebook. Now you can see all the data comes here, because this Facebook is super powerful. You can see. Okay, let's show you similar sites like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. So you go all this data, they show you all these sites linking in this site. Is look at this and look at this. So you can see all this, everything. They display everything here because the site is so powerful. So we can go here down, you can see the traffic search, and yeah, there's a lot of things here, a lot of things you can see in Canada, US, India, whatever you can see. So this site is so big. So site merits, whatever, you can pass through everything here and you understand what's going on here. But you saw how to check your ranking, if the site is ranking worldwide and local in your local country. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that you're here with us. Please, you remember to install the Alexa toolbar. This is gonna help you to show you. You can see itself how it ranks in the US and how it ranks here. So if I look for another, let me look for you another site which can show a different country in its local what. Let me see, let me check if I can see standard bank.co.za. let me see, this one of the biggest banks here, and it should have good traffic in its own local country. When you click here, yeah, you can see it shows rankings on, you see most of the sites been showing us USA, but this site is so powerful way in South Africa. So also globally it's working so good, sitting on 4,000. Get me, it's so good. Yeah guys, that was our last site. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.